So this random juice idea came into my head because pineapple is supposed to be really good for our skin, and orange too, then carrot and ginger. So I started wondering, what if I mix all of them together? Even though my coconut water was just 100 mils. I honestly did not know if it was going to taste completely fresh or completely weird. I almost forgot to talk about the sweet melon, but it's naturally sweet, and I'm hoping it's going to balance everything out. But the color actually started to look good, way better than I expected. And at this point, I was really hoping that it will taste good too, because it's one thing to look good and another thing to taste good. This was actually good. I think I accidentally made a good combination. Would you try this? Follow for more juicing experience.